A great enemy of good choices is rationalization. Many argue that we are not accountable for our choices. Because of the restored gospel of Jesus Christ, we know that we are accountable for our choices, and we also know to whom we must account. It is the Savior. Do not suppose that rationalizations about bad choices will be any more effective than trying to explain to the ocean why the ship was built in such a way that it could not float. We need to make good choices each day and not rationalize or be diverted. When I was a young adult, a great mentor taught me that it is the small decisions or choices day by day that are important. He introduced me to some wonderful advice from an exceptional teacher who had influenced him. It reads, quote, "Ah, my soul, look to the road you're walking on. He who picks up one end of a stick picks up the other. He who chooses the beginning of a road chooses the place it leads to."